This ABC 15 Flash Briefing is sponsored by Sanderson Ford. Straight up.
I'm Steve Irvin with your top stories from ABC15 Arizona. The East Desert Fire continues to rage near Cave Creek. So far, the fire has burned more than 1,500 acres. 500 crews are on site as windy conditions and dry brush fueled the flames. Right now, more than 100 homes have been evacuated. What sparked the fire? Still under investigation, but fire officials believe it was human-caused. COVID-19 changing the way we fight wildfires. The Department of Interior warning fire departments they need to make changes moving forward during the pandemic. One of the biggest changes may be how many firefighters can respond to a wildfire at one time. The agency says each fire will vary. Each fire department must also have a plan in the event of a COVID-19 outbreak. Speaking of coronavirus, let's bring you up to date with the latest case count in Arizona. Health officials confirming more than 14,000 cases statewide, up 246 from yesterday. The Arizona death toll also going up. 6 new deaths reported, bringing the total to 686. We have been seeing fewer cases and casualties on Mondays as the reporting system catches up from the weekend. A Valley doctor, with the help from fellow medical professionals, working diligently to protect Arizona's most vulnerable population from the spread of coronavirus. Today, Protect AZ, a nonprofit, provided COVID-19 tests to 80 people who were homeless at the Justice Center in Phoenix. Those who test positive are given care and a safe place to quarantine and then recover. The group says they are making progress in containing the virus.
So let's work together. Let's talk more. Let's share funding. Let's expand. Let's take this, what we're doing today, magnify it by 100 and sweep it across the valley. That's the way we're going to protect our community and we can get back to work.
This is the second round of testing at the center. The first time 100 antibody tests were given out.
Tracking your forecast, I'm Chief Meteorologist Amber Sellens, and wildfire danger is increasing across our state. Spots up north under another round of red flag warnings and wind advisories tomorrow as winds really crank up. Let's take a look at that wind forecast. Gusts near 45 miles per hour along the I-40 corridor, and gusts could even hit 30 miles per hour right here in the valley, making for a very breezy, if not a little bit windy afternoon at times. There's a look hour by hour. Those breezes kicking up around lunchtime, increasing into the afternoon as we hit 90 degrees tomorrow here in Phoenix. Temperatures across the state much cooler, down into the 70s for Prescott, Sedona, and Payson, 64 in Flagstaff, and 80s along the Colorado River Valley. There's the next 7 days. We'll fall down to 88 on Wednesday as that cool air continues to push in, and then we warm things up as we head toward the end of the week. Highs in the mid to upper 90s for Friday and Saturday, and it looks like the triple digits could be back as early as Monday.
This ABC 15 Flash Briefing is sponsored by Sanderson Ford. Straight up.